Preparation schedule to crack IPMAT entrance exams in 1.5 months. So what you need to do in this 1.5 months so that you can crack the exam. So Patrick scored a 6 times 100 percentile, been training students for more than 20 years, so fairly comfortable with the entrance exams. We do have courses for IPMAT Indoor, Total, GMAT, and the BBA entrance exams. So if you're interested, you can contact us. There are 5-year IPM courses. So there are colleges that conduct a 5-year IPM course, and then 3-year BBA. Almost all colleges have 3-year BBA courses. Almost all top colleges. So I recommend that you do. It's a good course to go in. I have made a separate video as to why you need to go through it. But this video is regarding to crack the IPM exam in 1.5 months. Also, the exam dates I mentioned out here, the last dates for various exams. You can look at it to apply if you're applying it this year. Coming to IPMAT, GMAT, BBA entrance syllabus. I mean, basically the exam consists of mathematics, English, and logic. Logic is not present in IPM Indoor, but all the other exams have maths, English, and logic. Mathematics is 10 standard, okay, except in IPMAT Indoor it is a little higher, 12, some max of 12 standard is there, but in other exams is all 10 standard mathematics. So if you focus on 10 standard mathematics, sufficient. So since you've already done 10 standard mathematics in school, I mean, you can just focus on those topics and go about it. Similarly, English is more about reading. The more you read, the better you become. So my suggestion is focus on reading, solve a few grammar exercises, solve a few exercises that will help. And logic is more of thinking. The more you practice, the better it becomes. So more you solve mocks, you come across a lot of questions, practice those questions and it will help. So first, my suggestion is first 20 days you should keep a target of completing syllabus. So 20 days, do the basics, that's for sure. Apart from that, 4 to 5 hours of maths every day. Okay, try to complete maths because maths, the maximum syllabus is mathematics, and IPMAT Indoor has a lot of maths. So maths becomes important. So try to do a lot of mathematics to complete. 1 hour of logic, to familiar with different type of questions that come in logic. Solve a varied type of questions, look at the syllabus and try to complete, and 1 hour of reading. So if you can do this every day, I believe you should be able to complete the basic syllabus at least in 20 days. So focus on this 20 days, one topic a day for maths. Do as much as possible. Don't go too deep. Do the basics at least so that you can know how to solve the sums and you are aware about it. Same with logic, be aware about the different type of questions and read. Next, start solving mocks. So when you start mocks, around 3 to 5 mocks a week is what I recommend. The key is to identify areas to prepare. So you write a mock today, you analyze a mock, you identify, okay, these are the areas which I feel I'm not aware about it or I need more practice, and then pick up questions from the book and practice those areas. So rest of the time focus on practicing on the areas to improve. Okay, and apart from that, you need to do 1 hour reading. It helps definitely. Reading helps in not only in English but overall paper, because the more you read, the more you're comfortable with the language, the better you'll be able to understand questions. So anyway, mocks and practice for remaining 4 weeks. If you plan the mocks properly and you are able to improve your strategy, tactics, etc., you surely be able to do well in the examination. Right? It is possible to crack the exam in 1.5 months. Ensure that you make a proper plan and then prepare accordingly. Once you make a plan, show it to someone so that you can start with it. Hope this helps. Thank you.